Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, will in no distant time commence training of youths in Information Communication Technology, ICT, as part of its comprehensive youth empowerment program. Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, gave the hint recently while inspecting available facilities at the River State ICT Center in Port Harcourt.
In July this year, the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, launched the Holistic Opportunity Project of Engagement, also known as Project Hope, to create employment for at least 10,000 youths in the Niger Delta. The program, which is designed to be implemented in phases, has gone through its first phase of registration and needs assessment, with over 37,000 registrations, and is now set to progress to the next phase of training. An important objective of Project Hope is to train youth in Information Communication Technology, ICT, to enable them compete favorably with their counterparts in the global community, where artificial intelligence has become the order of the day. Recently, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, was at the River State ICT Center in Port Harcourt to ascertain its conditions in preparation for the commencement of training under Project Hope. After inspecting the ICT Center, Dr. Ogbuku observed that the facility was underutilized and needed to be refurbished and equipped to make it suitable and conducive for the training. He assured managers of the facility that the NDDC would provide all that was lacking at the ICT Center to make it functional.
I'm excited with what they have on ground. It's just for us to at least, improve on the facilities and ensure that, yes, they are in good use. Because what they have already is state of the art. I never knew that we have this kind of facility here. And the place has been in use. So it is left for us to improve on what they have and also do a little expansion to make it befitting.
Dr. Ogbuku also noted that the goal of Project Hope was to transform the Niger Delta region into a major tech hub in Nigeria, thereby making the youth population self-reliant.
This facility is also going to complement that effort in trying to make Niger Delta a tech hub, because that is the future right now. And we believe if we empower our youths through tech, it makes them substantially independent, and they can also create businesses for themselves. They can also work with foreign firms that need tech support. So we believe we can actually engage a lot of our youths through tech. That is why the tech is also one of the core areas of Project Hope.
For his part, the River State Commissioner for Youth Development, Honorable Chisom Bali, commended the NDDC for initiating the youth training program, describing it as first of its kind, implemented by a federal government agency. He expressed confidence that with Dr. Ogbuku in the saddle, Rivers youth would benefit more from federal government's empowerment programs, regardless of their political affiliations.
This is the first time in the recent past, if you remember, that Rivers State had a dissonance with the federal government, and over time we've not benefited from what is happening at the center. But this time he's poised to mainstream and integrate Rivers youth. And from our own end, we've gone around to sensitize and advocate that the youth be willing to absorb what is coming, because we're on the right side of history. And if you see the MD is here, is very free, is someone that is a jolly good fellow.
The ICT centers are expected to be replicated in all 9 states of the Niger Delta region for the commencement of training as soon as possible.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,